there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your TikTok videos. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete your TikTok videos, let's open up our TikTok app first. And let's pause this video. And now to delete your TikTok video, you can see the profile button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the profile button and you will be landed on your profile, whereas you can see your videos over here, your drafts as well as the videos we have posted. Now to delete your video, choose one of the videos which you want to delete, and you can see the three dotted icon at the right side of your screen, just above the CD icon, this one where I'm tapping right now, just below the favorite icon over here. And after you tap on this icon, all these options will appear, where you can see you can change it to direct TikTok users to Facebook media, and on the third line of the option, scroll over there and you can see the delete button available over here. Tap on delete and tap on delete again, then your TikTok video will be deleted, but I'll not be deleting it for now. And there guys, this is how you delete your TikTok videos. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.